how to turn on notifications of tag on your Facebook. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go and open your Facebook. Then when your Facebook is open, you will just go here to this three line, click on it, and then on this three line guys, you will just go to notification or settings, sorry, and on settings we'll find the list of options. You will just go to notifications, click on it, and then go to tags, open tags, and then you will find here where you receive this notification. Now turn on all these three options, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. So let's see you next video.